Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can activate your Windows without any software for free. This method required internet connection for activation process. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the process. The code will be provided in the description. Step number 1. Disable all virus and threat protection. Step number 2. Download the text file provided in the description and open it using a text editor. Click on File, Save As, then select a location and edit the file name as win.bat. We are done here. Step number 3. Open the file and select your Windows type and select the following options. We are all done. Now your Windows is activated for lifetime. Following this method, you can activate your Windows for free without any software. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.